What's going on, guys? This is Travis Price, and you are tuning into another episode of Turning 65, where we answer your questions about Medicare and private insurance. If this is your first time checking out one of my videos, don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video and the subscribe button so you can get access to the most recent content that I publish. I usually post new videos on Sunday mornings at 9 a.m. EST, so that's Eastern Standard Time. And if you're interested in learning about the most common questions concerning Medicare and private insurance, don't forget to visit travisprice.com/turning65. In today's video, we're going to talk about HSAs and Medicare. Now, these are the topics we're going to cover, including what is an HSA and what are the advantages. Can I have a Medicare while contributing to an HSA? HSAs and signing up for Medicare, and what you can spend HSA funds on while using Medicare. There will be timestamps in the description of this video, so if there's a specific topic you want to check out, just go to the description and click the time button and it will take you to that specific topic. So what is an HSA and what are the advantages? HSAs are health savings accounts, which are savings accounts that are associated with a high deductible health plan to pay for health costs during your deductible phase. High deductible plans have very large initial deductibles that you're paying everything out of pocket. HSAs help you cushion that fall by having a pool of money available for you, usually on like a debit card or a reimbursement type where you will submit your bill to the insurance company or the HSA account holder and they'll send you the money back. HSAs tend to be used with employer plans, and the employer can also contribute a portion of your HSA total to your account in order to help you defray some of the cost of actually using the high deductible health plan. HSAs have triple tax benefits. The first is all contributions that you make to the HSA account are tax deductible. So they come off of what is going to be your taxable amount of income, which lowers your tax bill. Secondly, like 401k funds, while the money is in the HSA, you can invest it and those earnings grow tax deferred, which means you don't pay taxes on those funds until they come out of the account. Finally, when you use those funds, if you use them on qualified health cost, doctor's visits, surgical intervention, medications, over-the-counter drugs in some cases, when you use them on qualified health expenses, they actually come out of the account tax-free. So you contribute tax-free, it grows tax-free, you take out tax-free. Can you have Medicare while contributing to an HSA? And the answer is no, absolutely not. The tax laws overseeing HSAs state clearly that you cannot have a secondary insurance while using a high deductible health plan and get the tax benefits of an HSA. That means if you have a high deductible plan and then sign up for either part of Medicare A or B, your HSA is no longer tax-free when you deduct or when you put in contributions. So it's very important that you do not contribute to an HSA while you are using Medicare, either Parts A or Parts B or both. So let's say you're currently working and you are interested in signing up for Medicare, but you currently have an HSA and are contributing to that account. The most important part is you should determine on if you are getting Part A without a premium or not. If you aren't, Medicare backdates your Part A eligibility 6 months. So you need to stop contributing to your HSA 6 months before your Part A effective date to ensure that you won't have any tax liability. In the event that you do pay a premium, which approximately 1% of Americans do, if you are paying a premium, as long as you stop the month before your effective date, you're not going to have any issues. So what can you spend HSA funds while you're using Medicare? Now, the great thing about HSAs is even if you cancel the high deductible health plan, the HSA plan itself, the funds that are already in there, you can use while you're using your new insurance plan. You can't contribute anything new to that account, but you can use the funds that are already in there or allow them to continue to grow. You can use the following things in Medicare besides qualified health costs. Any qualified health costs that you incur are going to be able to be paid by your HSA. However, specific to Medicare, the premiums for Part A and B you can use in HSA funds along with a Medicare Advantage premium if you have a monthly premium, or a Part D, which is your drug plan monthly premium if you have one. You can also pay for your drugs using Part D with your HSA. However, you cannot use HSA funds to pay for Medicare supplement plan insurance, dental plan insurance, or any other individual type health insurance policies, but you can use those HSA fees to cover any cost sharing portions or out of pocket costs associated with those plans, as long as it's not the premiums. If you have any additional questions, please don't hesitate to check out travisprice.com/turning65. You can also leave a comment in the description. I do check them regularly and respond. Or you can give me a call at 231-884-8161. Thank you so much for checking out this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you can get more content from me, and have a great day.